Come on, girls, come on. Got you some dinner. Come on, babies, come on. Come on, girls. It's been kind of a crappy day, ain't it? And let me get it unrolled for you. Look out of the way. Let me unroll it. You ready? So I'm rolling enough to where they can spread out and eat and be comfortable eating. And since it is still snowing, I'm going to set this this other half of the bale just right up here in that hay ring, so it won't snow it under. So when they get done eating that, they can come up here and eat it out of this ring and won't waste much of it. They ought to finish that all up first, and then by that time it should be done snowing. It's supposed to be here, and it's supposed to be quitting any time. I'm gonna set her in here and they can eat the rest of this. That thing was a little froze up, obviously, and it's gonna get really froze. So I about couldn't get it open last night, or a while ago. So I know it's gonna freeze up tonight, so I'm just gonna kind of wrap it around there. They don't come up here along the road anyway, so they're not gonna try to get that gate open. Surely they wouldn't do that. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that little video of feeding some cattle here on another snowstorm in January here in West Virginia. If you would hit that subscribe button if you like the content, we'll try to get you some more out, and appreciate everybody watching.